Welcome, esteemed members of our YouTube channel community. Today marks a special moment as we extend our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for your unwavering support towards Cikgoo Dea. Your dedication and enthusiasm in embracing our tutorials on Canva and PowerPoint tailored for educators in Malaysia have been truly remarkable. Your engagement, comments, and shares have not only inspired us but have also fueled our commitment to providing valuable content that empowers educators across the nation. Together, we've embarked on a journey of learning and creativity, striving to enhance teaching experiences and classroom engagement. As we continue to grow and evolve, we remain deeply appreciative of your steadfast support. Your presence enriches our community and motivates us to strive for excellence in every tutorial we create. Let us continue this collaborative journey, empowering one another and making a positive impact in the field of education. Once again, thank you for being an integral part of our YouTube family. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to embarking on many more adventures together. Here's to continued learning, growth, and success. Welcome, and thank you for being here.